Hey, I'm Max, and here's the 411 on what is considered a capital gain. A capital gain is the profit you make when you sell a property for more than you paid for it. The formula for a capital gain is sale price minus purchase price equals capital gain. It's that simple. Let's look at an example. You bought a building 15 years ago for $500,000. You sell it today for $1.2 million. That's a $700,000 capital gain. But if you made capital improvements to that building over the years, those costs can be added to your purchase price. Things like a new roof, a gut rehab on a unit, or a boiler replacement, those all count. So, if you spent $50,000 on improvements over the past 15 years, you can add those to your purchase price. Your adjusted capital gain would look like this: $1.2 million sale price, minus $50,000 for capital improvements, minus $500,000 original purchase price, equals $650,000 adjusted capital gain. If you want to know what your building is worth or want ways to defer these capital gains, reach out to your favorite realtor, Mark.latuszek. He'd be happy to discuss your specific situation. Check out his webpage at realtormarkl.com.